Hi everyone, this is Annindita Palaus. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how mindfulness practices can help you in improving your communication skills. As we all know, in today's day and age, where people are glued to their smartphones and their laptops, communication skill is something that people sometimes tend to lack on. However, it is also a very essential skill. It is, in fact, a life skill that we all need in order to thrive in our relationships, at our work, and just in our regular everyday life. Before we get started, I would like to remind you to like and subscribe to my channel, as it is a zero-cost way for you to show your support to this channel and also to stay on top of my upcoming videos so that you don't miss any of my future content. And let's get started. Mindfulness is a practice of being present in the moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice has many benefits, including improving communication skills. By practicing mindfulness, you can become more aware of your own thoughts and feelings, which can help you communicate more effectively with others. In this video, we will explore how you can use mindfulness to improve your communication skills. Number 1 is listen mindfully. Mindful listening is an important part of effective communication. When you are talking to someone, it is important to give them your full attention. Instead of thinking about what you are going to say next or checking your phone, focus on the other person's words and non-verbal cues. This will help you understand their perspective and respond appropriately. Pay attention to your body language as well as theirs. Secondly, keep in mind that non-verbal communication is an important part of communication. Your body language can convey a lot about your thoughts and feelings. Even if you are not saying anything, by being mindful of your body language, you can become more aware of the messages you are sending to others. This can help you communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships. Use mindfulness to manage emotions. Emotions can be a major barrier to effective communication. When you are feeling angry, anxious, or upset, it can be difficult to communicate clearly and calmly. Mindfulness can help you manage your emotions and respond in a more constructive way. By practicing mindfulness, you can become more aware of your thoughts and feelings and learn to respond in a more mindful way. Practice empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. By practicing empathy, you can improve your communication skills by better understanding the perspective of others. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of others' feelings by allowing you to be more aware of your own thoughts and feelings. By understanding your own emotions, you can better understand the emotions of others. Mindfulness can also help you improve your focus, which is important for effective communication. When you are focused on the present moment, you can better listen to others and respond in a more thoughtful way. By practicing mindfulness, you can improve your ability to focus, which can help you communicate more effectively as well. So in conclusion, mindfulness can be a powerful tool for improving communication skills. By practicing mindfulness, you can become more aware of your own thoughts and feelings, better manage emotions, and become more empathetic. By focusing on the present moment, you can improve your listening skills and respond in a more thoughtful way. And by using mindfulness to improve your communication skills, you can build stronger relationships and achieve greater success in both your personal and professional life. So I hope you found today's video helpful. If you like the idea of mindful living and want to incorporate more mindful living practices in your daily life, then I highly recommend you checking out my Mindful Living playlist on YouTube right here. You can also check out my Meditation Mastery program. The link is in the description below. I have had hundreds of people from different parts of the world write back to me about the benefits that they have achieved by using these mindfulness techniques and the meditations that I share in this program. And I have no doubt in my mind that it can help you achieve your goals as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then like and share this video with someone who might also find it helpful. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.